I would first like to congratulate MIT Greece for a very successful event. I was very impressed with the large number of young people being interested in the topic of space and seemingly wanting to launch themselves into this business. So congratulations about that. I think space is, as some of the panelists said, space is a very fertile ground for innovation. It is the business of tomorrow, as some of them said. Perhaps just to refer to our work at Eurisy and what we're doing as a non-profit association of space agencies, there was a question at some point, I think in one of the panels, saying what is the most important advice you could give to somebody who would try to launch themselves in the downstream, developing a downstream application or product. Of course, there are many good pieces of advice that would apply. I did want to pass on the message, to convey the message of Eurisy, which is that whenever trying to develop a new product or service in the downstream, as far as we can see from our work with the end users, the most important thing is for people to focus on the end user and on their needs and on how the end user works and on how any potential product or service would fit into the environment of the end user. As I also referred to in the conference, in the event earlier on, of course there are lots of funds available for startups and clusters and technology support and so on. Those are essential, they are crucial. There are fertile grounds for innovation and of course those are crucial. But we at Eurisy believe that paying attention to the end user needs is a big factor of success. And I would also like to invite the participants in this conference to check out our website, eurisy.org, and notably our database of good practices. We inventory success stories of how end users have used satellite applications successfully. So I'm hoping they would find a bit of inspiration there as well, just as they did tonight in this MIT event.